Hey, what's up, everyone? I am Shafayat from Unlock Therapy. Welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to unlock your iPhone 10 and use it with any carrier, anywhere in the world, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm breaking down the exact steps you need to follow to free your iPhone from carrier restrictions. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's find out if your iPhone is already unlocked. Head over to your iPhone settings, tap General, and then About. Scroll down until you see Carrier Lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, good news, your iPhone is already unlocked and you can use any carrier. Now, if your phone is locked, the most reliable way to unlock it is through your carrier. But there are a few conditions. You need to make sure the phone is fully paid off, your account is in good standing, and you've been with that carrier for a certain amount of time, usually around 60 to 90 days. Once that's all sorted, call up your carrier and request an unlock. They'll walk you through the process, but keep in mind, it can take a few days. But what if your carrier won't help, or you're no longer with them? No worries, you can use a third-party unlocking service. These are paid services that will unlock your iPhone for use with any carrier in any country. Just be sure to use a legit service to avoid getting scammed. You'll need your iPhone's IMEI number, which you can find under Settings, General, About. Follow their instructions and you'll be good to go. Just keep in mind, these services do come at a cost. Once you've gotten the confirmation that your iPhone is unlocked, whether through your carrier or a third-party service, it's time to activate it. Here's how. Pop in a new SIM card from a different carrier. Connect your iPhone to a computer and open up iTunes or Finder if you're on macOS Catalina or later. You should see a message saying, "Congratulations, your iPhone is unlocked." And that's it. You're free to use your iPhone with any carrier. As a last-ditch option, you could try a SIM unlock chip, like the RSIM. This chip goes into your SIM tray and helps bypass carrier restrictions. But keep in mind, these are less reliable and can cause network issues, so only use this method if you're stuck. Alright, that's a wrap. Hopefully, you know exactly how to unlock your iPhone 10 from any carrier. For more information, you can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tech tips.